Hello, welcome to Revelana Full Service Training. So I just want to let you know we went through our website. We have a specific video for how to go through your website, which is this tab. Another specific video for how to go through your marketing emails, and more the templates. And now we're going to talk about going through your automations. So again, right here, you're going to click on automation. If when you log in, you don't see this menu, that means you're very likely over here. And what you want to do is go back. So if you hit go back, it brings you to this menu where you'll see automation. So you click on automation, and I'd go through one at a time. So start at the top and go all the way through. Okay. So the way you want to do this is you want to start at capture. And this is like all the different ways. Revelana comes with a chatbot that you can have on your website. You don't have to, but you can. So when you get activity in your chatbot, what it's going to do is we set an internal notification. This internal notification goes to you or whoever you determine should be getting that notification. And it pretty much tells you, hey, someone just filled out the contact form, contact us form. But actually, I'm going to change that because this is someone just reached out to you on chatbot, right? So on your chatbot, so you can have this say whatever you want. I'm going to press save because I want it to save, but we're going to go back in there and I want to show you something that I think is sort of funny too. There's a second save button you have to also hit, but I'll tell you. So someone just reached out to you on your chatbot. Here's the details, and it's going to show their information and what they sent. Please get in touch with them. Okay, so you press save action because I made a save. Then there's a second save button. You definitely want to hit that second save button. And that second save button is really after you've gone through all of these and make sure that you save everything. So at that point, once they reach out to you on chat, it's going to add the little tag to them in your customer relationship management system that says chatbot. That means you can go back and go, hey, how did we originally meet them? Oh, they were on our website and they reached out to us on our chatbot. So that's really helpful info. And then immediately what it does is it sends that person a text, says thanks for reaching out. And then it has their first name, and we put emojis in here so you can delete them, whatever. We definitely get back to you ASAP, BRB if not immediately. Make your day amazing. And then it's going to show your username. It's going to show your name, your first name, and then it's going to show, or actually your full name, and then your phone number here. If you wanted to show something else like your calendar link or whatever else, you can add that in. And you can either do it yourself by just going to custom values. You're the user. So in this case, it could be your full name, your first name, your email address, your phone number, your signature block. We're going to go into that in a different video. Your calendar link, whatever you want. You don't have your Twilio phone in there. So you can choose in here, right? So anyway, that gives you the general idea. We didn't make any changes to that, so I shouldn't have to press save. But then it's going to wait 12 hours, and then it's going to add them to your marketing workflow. So you can change the amount of time it waits, whatever you want. But once they get into your marketing workflow, it's going to start sending them marketing emails. So once you're done looking at this particular chatbot automation, you want to hit right here. Go back. So if you hit here and you haven't pressed save, please, I'd always just press save anyway, because it does say I've unsaved changes, even though I really technically didn't make any changes after I opened that last one, but it wants you to be safe. If you think you made changes and you didn't want to, then just leave and it'll go back to the original and you're safe, okay? And then just go through these. So go to the contact us. So someone just contact us. So this is the contact us form. So So when you click in here, just make sure you like what it says. And it's an internal notification. And it's going to come, if it says internal, again, it's going to come to you. And it's going to come to you as an SMS. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So you're going to set it to who you want it to go to. It's going to come to you as an SMS. You can have it come to you as an email. That's okay. And then you can either select a template. You're going to create templates. That's another video. Or you can just go with what we wrote. And here it goes to you. It's an internal notification, right? So this fills in the person's name, the contact. They are the contact. You are the user. Here are the details: their full name, their email, the message they sent. Please get in touch with them. Cheers, Revelana team. And I always put this is you're the user. I put this in there just to make you smile. Every time you get an internal notification, it's going to send you some love from us. So technically I didn't make any changes to that. It should be fine. But notice it does go to unsaved changes. So I wanted to bring that to your attention. It's going to add a tag saying, oh, that person contacted us. And so that's a way of tracking back. How did they reach us to begin? Oh, it was a contact us form on our website. And then what it's going to do, it's going to immediately send them an email. And that email is going to say, got it. Thanks for reaching out, Sally. So, and then with the little emoji, you can take these out. We like them. We definitely will get back to you ASAP. In the meantime, dream big, make your day amazing. And then it has your signature block here, which we need to set up in your initial setup. And then please whitelist our emails so we don't end up being junk in your trunk. You can take that out. These are our templates that we just have seen work. So if you like it, that's great. Now this, you can delete. You can say, hey, sending them an email, they reached out to us on our contact form, which was technically an email. Sending them an email reply is fine, or you can send them email and text, or just a text and not an email. But chances are you want to just send them an email, not overwhelm them. So if that's the case, we have that in. Notice it says optional text. You can go ahead, click here, and even delete it, okay, and not be afraid of deleting it. Okay, so that way it's only sending them an email. And then after you do that, don't forget to press save, and then that save at the top, and you're fine. Don't be afraid. And then it's going to wait 12 hours, and then it's going to add them to the marketing workflow. That's going to just immediately start sending them out warm emails. So that you can also have that wait, or you can have it go out sooner. It doesn't matter. That's completely up to you. This is just the formula we believe in. So I'm going to go back here. It may give me, see it also, I have unsaved changes. I love that it gives you these warnings. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel because I'm going to be safe, right? I'm just going to go ahead and save. But if you fear that you made changes that you don't think you should have, then please don't do that. Just leave. If that makes sense, I hope. And then again, go back and then go into the next one, missed call follow-up. As we go into these automations, they get more and more complicated. So you just have to know, you can ignore this up here. Just notice it's a missed call. Sorry, I missed your call. They're going to get a text. And then it's going to send up a follow notification to your team. It's an internal notification to whoever you want in your team. And again, it can be sent to you, email, text, whatever. It's going to add a tag that they called you. Let's see what the tag is here. Missed call follow-up. So, and then that way you can keep track of all this. And then it's going to wait 12 hours and it's going to go into your marketing workflow and so on. So hopefully that's enough. I just wanted to give you an orientation on how you're supposed to be reviewing these automations. Some of these, like the request an ebook offer, that doesn't make sense yet because you may not even have an ebook. So these are things we can talk about in our one-on-one. But in your newsletter, you don't have one yet. We can talk about that in your one-on-one. in our Zoom call and collaborate with you as a full access setup member on Revelana. Full service, full access is Louology, full service Revelana customer. You're going to get these Zoom consultations included in your setup. So please just relax. Anything that doesn't make sense, we're going to go through together. Okay. Hope you appreciate the video. Thanks so much. This is fun.